Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can repair your Bluetooth connection if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on the VIVO T1 Pro. So, when I have a problem with my headphones, I only start from the simplest way, just switch off, switch off and switch on again the Bluetooth connection to restart it. After that you can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and tap on the restart. At the start you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have activated power mode. How to activate power mode? You will find the manual to the device. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds, sometimes the gadget starting in the power mode automatically, so you have to check it by yourself. And if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory is in the power mode and it should be visible for other devices, but you still doesn't see it on your phone, go to the settings, then go to the system and tap on the reset options. You can see that I have Bluetooth, so just tap on it and click reset settings. Configure code or pattern and tap on the reset settings again. After that, look for the device again on the Bluetooth list. You can also check your system updates if you have any system update. To check it, you have to go to the settings and look for the system update section. Just tap on it, and if you have any updates, just download it and install, and after that look for the device on the Bluetooth list. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory on your phone or another Bluetooth device to check which one is visible, which one making a problem here. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.